Can you go live on Snapchat? Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will see that can you go live on the Snapchat app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So I'm gonna open the Snapchat app, and here there is option to search. On my camera there is option to search, add people, flip camera, flash, night mode, this option, sound, and if I tap on plus, here there is option of timeline, sounds, multi-snap, timer, grid, low light mode, and focus mode. And if I this option, and this option is also not the live option, this is the scan option. So if I go to my settings, if I try to find the live option here, and here also it does not look like there is option to go live. So guys, it looks like Snapchat has not introduced the feature where to go live. So this was it for this video. Thanks for watching.